Cleaning your lenses free of dust and debris is essential for keeping them in pristine condition. The longevity of your lenses often depends on the way that you clean them. What we have today is our lens cleaning system, the StuffIt. Once you try it, you'll be amazed by its functionality. Check it out. The newly redesigned StuffIt comes with a soft microfiber lens cloth. The cloth is housed in a protective pouch. The pouch comes in a variety of colors. The cloth is attached to the inside of the pouch. You will never lose your lens cloth again. Compared to our SN-40, the SN-80 is bigger in size and comes with a larger cloth. It also features a metal hinge that protects the cloth from being exposed. Pull the lens cloth out of the pouch. When not in use, stuff the lens cloth back in the pouch. The protective pouch will keep the lens cloth clean and dry when ready for use. The compact and portable size of the StuffIt make it easy for you to travel with. It fits in your pocket, backpack, camera bag, or binocular case. Use the attached hook to clip it to your backpack. The StuffIt is ideal for cleaning all lenses: binoculars, spotting scopes, telescopes, camera lenses, smartphones, tablets, eyeglasses, and more. The microfiber lens cloth is safe to use on all lenses without fear of it being scratched. Make sure to visit our website, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and leave your comments below. Your feedback is important to us. Until next time, see you later.